5 tables program in 7 minutes in some place. So let's build score system consisting 5 tables: student, levels, terms, subject, score. There are basically 5 steps to do. First is create database in php-admin, the config.php file. Design and create database in MS Excel. Copy and run SQL commands into php-admin. Copy and paste menu into menu_public.php file. Then create tables in some place. So let's start with first step. Let's create new database core in php-admin and new database in some place by selecting database new. So I am creating database score in php-admin. After that, making config file for this database using existing database file. I am saving it as config 6, changing name here, database score, then changing the MySQL links 6. So we have created the table in php-admin and made config file for it. Now next is we have to create database in some place. I am going to database, create selecting database. Here is for creating new table database. Here is new button. Let's say our database number is 6, giving it name score and test remark. By clicking insert button, database will be created. So our database is created in some place. Now next step is design and create database in MS Excel. For that, we have ready-made database, sample database here. We can download it from here. Copying to our directory, exporting it. So here is .xls database. I am opening it. So it has 3 sheets: TBL form page, FID, FRM ID, and links. The TBL form page is for the table names, which consist of 5 tables. The second sheet consists the fields names of the tables, and third sheet is for relation between the fields. So I am going to instruction again. Need to copy and paste SQL commands from F2 to L2 for sheet TBL form page to F6 to L6. So I am going to show how to do this. Going to first sheet, I am copying from F2 to L2 to below rows SQL commands. Same doing from second sheet, copying this to below rows. And same for third sheet. Also, I am copying the menu for below rows. After that, copy and paste menu into menu_public.php file. I am going to show how to do it. Let's copy menu from here and paste it in the file zz main, a main, put up menu lang. Under that menu underscore public one.php. I am pasting menu here. Now next step is create tables in ipsunflez. This we can do by selecting database. Sorry, we forgot one step here. We need to execute the SQL commands from PHP into the PHP from Excel file here. So how we will do that? We will select commands, SQL commands from F2 to L2 until below rows. We'll copy these commands into database ZZZ by going into SQL tab, pasting here, executing it. Same we have to do for another two sheets. I'm copying these SQL commands, going to SQL, executing it. Same for third sheet. So we have successfully executed the commands from Excel into PHP. Now create tables in ipsunflez. Before that, we will log in again in order to create the tables. Going to login. Now create tables in ipsunflez. We can create tables using by selecting database, create MySQL table, then select new, then select student and insert. I am going to show how to do it. I am going to database, inside that create MySQL table. Here we have to click new. We need to create student table, so I am selecting student from here and clicking insert. After that, we can see SQL query here. We can click create table and table created successfully. Same we have to do for other 5 tables. So let's say create MySQL table, new, label, inserting, create tables, table created successfully. Same for term, subject, score, selecting table, term, insert, create table. After like subject, table, inserted, create table, and last one is score table. So like this, our tables are created successfully. Let's see in PHP. I am selecting score database. Here are our 5 tables created successfully. We can visit in order to see the tables in browser. We can copy this link from here and pasting it here. So we can see student table structure here. We can add new student from here. Student 1, student name John, test address 1, test 2, test address 3, test address 4, then postal code of country, let's say 1 2 3 4 5 6, country 1, father name test f, mother name, test m, remark, text remark. I am inserting it, inserted successfully. You can see our student table again. See, our record is coming here. Same like that, we can see another tables by changing the parameters pg. So this is for another table, score table. We can insert any data into it using new. You can see the score table fields are here. So this is how build the 5 table programs in 5 minutes.